Understanding urbanization and its effects on animal species. Urbanization refers to the increasing population of people living in urban areas, which leads to the expansion of cities and towns. This rapid development alters natural landscapes, impacting local wildlife and biodiversity. As urban areas expand, habitats are fragmented, and many species struggle to adapt to the changing environment. Understanding these effects is crucial for effective conservation efforts. One of the most significant impacts of urbanization is habitat loss. As cities grow, natural habitats are cleared for housing, roads, and infrastructure. This loss leads to fragmentation, isolating animal populations and making it difficult for them to migrate, find mates, or access resources. Such changes can result in declining populations and increased vulnerability to extinction. Changes in species distribution and behavior. Urbanization can force many animal species to alter their distribution and behavior. Some may adapt to urban environments, while others may decline or disappear entirely. Species that thrive in urban areas often exhibit changes in feeding habits, nesting behavior, and social interactions. This shift can disrupt existing ecosystems and alter the dynamics of local wildlife communities. Increased human-wildlife conflicts in urban areas. As urban areas encroach on natural habitats, human-wildlife conflicts often rise. Animals may venture into urban spaces searching for food, leading to encounters that can be dangerous for both parties. These conflicts can result in property damage, transmission of zoonotic diseases, and even harm to the animals themselves. Effective management strategies are necessary to mitigate these issues. Impacts on biodiversity and ecosystem functioning. Urbanization poses a significant threat to biodiversity. The loss of habitats and species can lead to decreased ecosystem functioning, affecting services like pollination, water purification, and soil fertility. Biodiversity is essential for maintaining resilient ecosystems that can withstand environmental changes. Preserving urban biodiversity is critical for ensuring ecological stability and sustainability. Importance of green spaces in urban planning. Integrating green spaces into urban planning is vital for supporting wildlife and biodiversity. Parks, gardens, and green roofs can provide essential habitats for various species, allowing them to thrive in urban environments. These green areas not only benefit wildlife but also enhance the quality of life for residents by improving air quality, reducing heat, and offering recreational opportunities. Creating wildlife corridors to support animal movement. Wildlife corridors are crucial for maintaining connectivity between fragmented habitats in urban areas. These corridors allow animals to move freely between different habitats, reducing the risks associated with isolation. Designing urban landscapes with wildlife in mind can help sustain populations, promote genetic diversity, and support overall ecosystem health. Role of urban biodiversity in enhancing resilience. Urban biodiversity plays a vital role in enhancing the resilience of cities against environmental changes. Diverse ecosystems can better withstand disturbances, such as climate change and pollution. Encouraging biodiversity in urban settings can lead to healthier ecosystems, improving urban resilience and reducing vulnerability to environmental threats. Engaging communities in conservation efforts. Community engagement is essential for promoting urban biodiversity. Local initiatives, such as wildlife monitoring programs and community gardens, can foster a sense of stewardship among residents. Educating communities about the importance of biodiversity and encouraging sustainable practices can lead to increased support for conservation efforts in urban areas. Conclusion: a balanced approach to urbanization and wildlife. Urbanization poses significant challenges to animal species and biodiversity. However, through thoughtful planning, community engagement, and the creation of green spaces, we can mitigate these impacts. Striking a balance between urban development and wildlife conservation is essential for fostering sustainable cities that support both human populations and the diverse species with whom we share our environment.